her head in her hands as her children's former nanny took the stand. The nanny testifying, describing Clancy as a wonderful mother, saying she never had any concerns over the children's safety. Now, earlier today, jurors learned about the medications Clancy was taking and how much of those medications were in her system. Clancy sitting quietly in the courtroom listening. Her lawyer says she was suffering from postpartum psychosis and was over-medicated. Prosecutors say she acted intentionally when they say she strangled her 3 children at the family's Duxbury home before attempting to take her own life in 2023. Today, jurors heard from a forensic toxicologist who tested a blood sample from Clancy. He says medications found in her system were not at a toxic level. The defense pushed back.
Usually people take handfuls of pills when they're trying to harm themselves and take their own life, and this is not consistent with that.
In other words, what you're saying is that the numbers alone do not tell the tale of what happened to a particular individual, right?
Correct. They don't tell the entire story.
Jurors also heard from a forensic scientist who used to work with Massachusetts State Police. She discussed the DNA on the evidence found in the family's basement, where prosecutors say the children were found. A testimony is expected to wrap up early today, the judge telling jurors he has things to talk about with the attorneys. In Plymouth, Emily Maha, WCVB News Center 5.
Our thanks to Emily for that. In this trial, there's a lot of discussion about postpartum depression, postpartum psychosis, and thoughts of suicide. Postpartum support is available by calling that number there on your screen, 800-944-4773. The National Suicide Crisis Lifeline is available 24/7 by calling 988.